Hi everyone, my name is Ilan Tenenbaum, and for the last 6 years I've been a professional Forex trader. During this time I've taught hundreds of students how to work in the markets, and a few tens out of them are already at 6 figures income from the markets and on their way to financial freedom. Today marks exactly 90 days since I started to trade my eToro copy account, the account that allows you to automatically copy all of my trade without any extra costs whatsoever. So I thought it's a good chance to go over this account a little bit, show you how it's done and what you can benefit from it. So starting here, you can see the main page on my eToro profile. You can see the bio, some of the trades that I closed, some of the comments, some of the news feed, the people that follow me, that copy me. If we go over here to stats, you can see that during this month and a half, I've created 3% return on the account. Guys, keep in mind that 3% a month generates more than 30% a year, which consider the highest benchmark for even the world's leading investment funds. So if I can continue this 3% return minimum a month, which is what I'm aspiring for, we should see this account growing really nicely. The second thing that I want to show you, which I think is more importantly even than my own profit, is the profits that my followers make. So let me show you a glimpse on my personal dashboard where I can see the returns of all of my followers, and I think it's amazing. Look at these guys here. This one here started following me just yesterday, March 24, already up 0.5%. For some people here that are following me longer, you can see that they're up 3%, 4%, and even 5% for some of them. What I want you also to see is that from all of my followers here, no one is in a loss. Everybody is making money for the past 90 days and they don't need to do anything in order to see these profits, but follow me. Now, after you've seen a little bit about my followers' profits, I want to show you something which is very, very important. I want to show you my actual trade history that you'll see that I'm keeping it consistent and safe as possible. If you look at the P&L percentage here, they're here to show the profit from the investment amount. So I want you to see how safe I'm keeping you all here. Look at the profits and the consistency. Some losses, but obviously they are small, and I'm keeping the profits coming. So guys, if you too want to follow me and enjoy these returns, all you gotta do is click the link below and you'll reach to this page that will explain you everything, every single thing that you need to do, and within 3 clicks of the mouse button, you'll start copying me. So guys, just click the link below and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.